What's up, everyone? This is Motorol's and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Crunchyroll API 403 error that you may be getting on your Android mobile device. So let's get right into this. So there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing is to click into the Crunchyroll app, click into the eye, and come into this specific page. Once you're in here, go to storage and cache, clear the cache, and clear storage as well. This might sign you out, but you might not be able to even sign in because of this error. The next thing to do is under mobile data usage, have this specific section turned on where it says unrestricted mobile data usage. Then come back out again, do force stop and press OK to basically force restart this app, and then also archive and then reinstall the app. This is like a soft uninstall which reinstalls the app back as well. Once you're done with those sections, come under into network and internet, and in here find where it says private DNS. Click into it and turn yours from whatever it is to private DNS provider hostname and change it to dns.google. Yours is most likely on automatic or off, but once you have this on, press save. Turn your phone back off and turn it on, or just turn the app off and go back on to Crunchyroll. You should be good to go and not have that error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are video, please don't up, get a channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and I'm Motorol's out. Peace.